everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janae and this is Janai's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be sharing an easy recipe for slow cooker baked potato soup. This was so simple and it is so good. Alright, I'm gonna plate it up so that you guys can see what it looks like. Please remember to check the description box for instructions to this recipe. Let's get started. Alright guys, so the potatoes are cooked through. I've cooked this on high for about 5 hours. It's been cooking in the slow cooker for about 5 hours. The potatoes are tender, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in the roux. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, or simply share the video with someone that you think would benefit from it. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Hey guys, if you made it to the end of the video, thanks. I wanted to show you that this does reheat well. I added a little bit more chicken stock to it just to thin it out and cooked it over low to medium heat for just a few minutes. Topped it off with all the toppings again, and it was delicious. All right, as always, thanks for watching. Bye.